We had started outside, but it was raining very heavily. That's why we were forced to move inside. A couple of speakers have already we've spoken about our problems. She's a villager, staying right in the heart of the clubs, which are posed as restaurants, and she will tell you her story.
मॅडम तुमचें नांव? आमी वागातोर रावता. आमकां सुरक्षा जाय, कित्याक आमकां भायर सरोंक आमकां हें ना. कित्याक आमच्या घरान येवन आमकां हें करतात की धमकी दितात की तुमी प्रूफ हाडात आनी कितें ते भाशेन, आनी कंप्लेन करून गेल्यार म्हणटात कित्याक कंप्लेन करतात.
पूण तुमकां भायर सरपाक पयलो म्हणजे भंय दिसता कित्या खातीर भायर सरोंक दी?
कंप्लेन केल्यार ते आमकां पत्ते आमच्या दारार येतात आनी सारके भितर येतात आनी म्हणटात आमकां की तुमी प्रूफ दियात की आमचें म्युजीक तुमकां डिस्टर्ब करता वो कितें ते भाशेन. आमी कंप्लेनूय आमी
तुमी खंय रावता?
वागातोर.
तुमी वागातोर रावता. आनी खंयचें म्युजीक येता आनी खंयच्या टायमाचेर म्युजीक येता?
जायती येतात. आमी नांव सांगनात कित्याक मागीर आमकां हें ना न्हू. आमकां हॉस्टेलां सेफ्टी जाय आमकां.
तुमी हॉस्टेलान आसता?
आमच्या घराशेन जायतीं हॉस्टेलां आहात, क्लबाय आहात. सो तेका लागून मागीर ती नांव सांगल्यार मागीर म्हणटात की पत्ते आमकांच टार्गेट करूंक येता नेमकी. तेका लागून आमी आमचे सेफ्टीक लागून आमी कंप्लेनूय केल्ली आसा.
ओके. म्हणजे जेन्ना तुमी कंप्लेन करपाक केल्ली पळय हेच्या पयलीं तेन्ना कोण येयलेले तुमकां धमकी बीन दिवपाक?
हय, दिवंक येयला म्हणूनच आमी हे केला न्हू.
कितें थ्रेटन जाता तुमकां? कितें म्हणून?
म्हणजे तुमी म्युजीक कित्याक आमचें बंद करतात अशें म्हणून विचारतात ते आमकां. म्हणजे आमच्या कुशीकूच ह्यो क्लब आहा.
स्पेसिफिकली सांगू शकता खंयचे?
हेजेर आमी मेन्शन केल्लें आहा.
The music starts at 10, but the music actually starts way before. Even once it is plugged and once we can hear anything, it is already loud beyond the limits. So this 10 o'clock, and recently I've heard about a policy that is saying they want to increase it to 12 o'clock because of, and they want to include some religious function as a basis for increasing the time limit. I think no one, I don't know about other places, but here even the 10 o'clock limit is not valued or respected, and we are increasing it for 2 more hours legally. What is happening? If we cannot evaluate, if we cannot monitor something up to 10 o'clock, how will we monitor something up to 12 o'clock?
So this is an ongoing problem where clubs are playing loud music through the night. I am one of the people who suffers also. I am also a petitioner in the High Court, and I have made so many complaints to the police, but only lip service is done, and the problem is not being solved, and cases are not being booked. And last week when the candlelight vigil happened, for a couple of days things were a little quieter, but it is back to normal again.
सगळ्यां लागीं मागता हात जोडून की आमकां वागातोरच्या लोकांक पिसफूल आनी सुसेगाद रावूंक दी. आमी सुसेगाद गोंयकार म्हणून जाणो जाल्ल्या नुस्त्याची सगळ्या मागता आमकां न्हिदोवंक दियात आनी आमकां बरे भशेन रावंक दियात. आमच्या भुरग्यांक शिकोवंक दी आनी तांकां हे लावड म्युजीक घालून डिस्टर्ब करी नाकात. बिट्स बरेच आयकूं येतात कानार आनी आमचे हार्ट बिटूय वाडटात म्हणून आयज आमी हांगा परतून आयल्यात सांगपाक जेन्ना आमी कॉल करतात 112 ते आमकां विचारतात खंयसर कितें जाता काय म्हणून आमकां ही म्युजीक बंद जाल्ली जाय ही लावड म्युजीक आनी आमकां सारकें बरे भशेन न्हिदोंक जाय रातची.
And if you all noted that the device showed around 70 to 79 decibels when he was talking. Now this is something to be focused on, that when we sleep, we need at least 50 decibels to sleep, because this is a residential area. We are not thinking about the fact that this is still a residential area, and even up to 10 p.m. the music can be heard, and who is monitoring that? And some people are saying even when you talk, it is more than 50. Yes, it is, and that is why the Supreme Court and all the courts have, the National Green Tribunal have said that you require that much time to sleep. Even it was mentioned that WHO has stated that sleep is an essential criteria for us.
I remember like one of the first times when I tried to make a complaint about loud music that was coming, which I couldn't sleep. I remember the police on the other side. They told me that it was our responsibility to go and find the place where the music was coming from. I found that very weird. At 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, we had to get out of bed and go find the place. The first time, second time, I didn't do that. I was not feeling safe. But after so many times of doing that, I finally did it. I went to the junction, I found the place, I was calling them from there, and the van that they promised would come never came. So finally, one day out of desperation, I went back home and I got my pillow and I got my bedsheet and I came here, and I have a video of me doing that. In this bench right here, I put my pillow on my bedsheet and I said, I'm sleeping here until you put the music off, because in any case at home I cannot sleep. So I put my pillow, I put my bedsheet and I put my bed and I did that. So of course all the police found it very funny that I was doing that, and then they started calling the jeep which was out and doing the rounds, and they told me that the music was off. And I was coordinating with my wife who was still at home, and she said the music is still there but it is significantly softer, and we had to accept that as the result, and then we went home to sleep with soft music, not shut off music. That was the best that we could do, and I'm willing to do it again. I'm coming to sleep here if the music is back. If anybody wants to join me, let me know. I'm ready to come and sleep here.
So, as you said, that police and the authorities are local forced to come out on the road or the street, then only the action should be taken.
Yeah, because they said that if you don't know where the music is coming from, how can we know? So I would have thought logically you can tell them where you live, and then perhaps they can find out where it's coming from. But that apparently is not the situation that they would like to work with, that the citizen has to get up at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, go and find the place and call them from there, which if you also do, you realize that they still don't come, because
When
I've
it
tried
was-
and tested.
I think one issue that has come up after we had the 4 days, the very next day only, one of the women and this person had gone to their house, and you just said,
We have given this complaint.
yeah, we have given this complaint. We
Now
just want
from
to
the
know
law.
what has been taken. You said that you will do something, but we want to know what is the update on this, because this is a woman. Now he is threatening, he is going and visiting her place and in dark. Now even the court, even the police, I think so after 6 p.m, after sunset, I think so this was okay. You cannot go, unless it is very serious, and then if you are a woman. Now this man has the audacity to go to her
Knock on
home.
their door.
This person has, what can we do now about this? And if this is the case that is happening, even if someone tells us, okay, we will deal with it, what can we do?
21st of July.
Yeah, this was after, and this was just when, see, we understand you have not been maybe aware.
लोकांक एश्युरन्स म्हणजे आता हांवें ताका पयलींच सांगलां की कितें आहा तें कायदेशीर एक्शन जाता.
Follow-up action has to be taken, because this is a very common thing. Even if the van comes, the PCR van comes, for 10-15 minutes they reduce the sound, and then they say, okay, sound has been reduced, everybody goes back, and they start blasting music again. So we would like to see some action being taken.
We have given the complaint.
So we are very hopeful. We know that, police station will protect us.
That's why we come to you.
That's why we are coming here, we are not going anywhere.
Sir, we are facing these issues of noise pollution, and authorities has been keeping a blind eye on us. Since we are being locals and आमचे खूप businesses आहे हांगा, आणि because of this noise pollution we are finding very difficult to run a business. खूपशे बिझनेस आमच्या लॉसांनी वयता, कित्याक जे रेस्टॉरंट्स आहा या जे गेस्ट हाऊसेस आसता न्हू, तितून लोक रावंक सोदिना, कित्याक ह्यो आवाज इतलो तांकां डिस्टर्ब जाता. खुबशे गेस्ट आमचे येता वर्क फ्रॉम होम करपाक, खुबशे गेस्ट येता टू रेस्ट. But this noise pollution is becoming so irritable. So people within few hours they say we want to check out, we don't want to stay. So that is becoming very difficult. आणि जे आम्ही म्हणटा की वी आर टार्गेटिंग ओनली सर्टन बिझनेसीस, इट इज रॉंग. वी आर नॉट टार्गेटिंग एनीबडी ऑफ युअर बिझनेसीस. आमकां जाय आमचे पोट भरलेले आनी तुमचे जे रेस्टॉरंटां चलतात तुमी चलात एज पर द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द लॉ जो आसा पळय तेच्या प्रमाणे तुमी काम करात. इट डजंट मीन दॅट तुमी दुसऱ्याच्या पोटार हे करून तुमी आपणाचे व्हडल्यान म्युजीक करून तुमी पयशे करपाचे. दीस इज व्हेरी फेअर फ्रॉम देअर सायड.
सो मेन तुमची मागणी आतां कितें आसा की तुमचे एक म्हणजे लावड म्युजीक, टायमींग प्रॉब्लम आहा.
करेक्ट. 1 मिनटाचो टायमींग प्रॉब्लम बियॉन्ड 10 o'clock ऑलरेडी क्लियर रूल आहा ब्लॅक एंड व्हायट की म्युजीक वाजोवंक जायना. ह्यो जो रूल आसा इट इज ब्रोकन बाय ऑल द क्लब्स एंड पब्स वीच आर हियर. The sound जो आसतलो is like beyond decibel.
I myself am facing various problems. So I have started the new committee, Wagator Citizen Welfare Committee, since April 22nd. And I have been writing the various problems of the people are facing this in the Panchayat applications. This is the application I have written on the 11/6 June regarding the music problem.
There was a place near my house playing an outdoor concert so loud that it was so loud that my bed was shaking even in the night. I was complaining from 10:30. I actually paid a ticket and sent somebody in the concert to take videos. Nothing was happening. Finally at 3:30 I came here in my night clothes. They were not willing to listen to me. And I finally said I'm not leaving. And then they made one phone call. Obviously the van was at the location and within a few seconds the noise was shut down. So if the police wants to shut the sound down, they can. Yes. But this is not happening. Passing of the buck is taking place.
अशें आसा की हांव शिवोलेच्यान आयला, शिवोले मान्नाच्यान. सो ताची बाट शिवोले हो जो इशू आसा नॉयज पोल्युशन हो वागातोर आनी अंजुना पुरती लिमिटेड ना. हो जो इशू आसा हो सगळी कडेन आसा, गोंयभरू आसा. आमच्या शिवोले गांवानूच तुमी आयकलां आसतलें सुरज चोडणकर म्हणून वसंत विद्यालयाचो प्रिंसिपल, तो स्टुडंट्सां खातीर झगडटा. इट इज नॉट अबाउट ओन्ली आफ्टर 10 PM. 10 भुरगे आमचे जे भुरगे स्कुलान वतात ते 10च्या पयलींच सगळ्यांक स्टडी करता, दनपारां करता, सांजचे करता. तांच्यांनी कितें करप, तांच्यांनी कशें स्टडी करप, तांच्यांनी रातचे 10च्या नंतर जागे रावन स्टडी करप, हो विशय आसा. हो विशय थंय इतलो पाविल्लो की तांच्यांनी स्टुडंट्सांक घेवन ते ऑथॉरिटी कडेन गेल्ले आनी तरी सुद्दां हे जे पार्टीज आशिल्ल्यो त्यो बंद जावंक ना. सो आमचो जो शिवोले अंजुना वागातोर हो गांव आसा हो एक पिसफूल गांव आनी एक सुंदर गांव. हे जो वयलो बेल्ट आसा पळय तो एक्चुली ग्रेझींग, गोरवां थंय पयलीं आदी हे खावपाक येतालीं, चार खावपाक येताले आनी आतां गोरवां तर विसरून ती हांगा मनशाक रावपाची सुद्दां परिस्थिती उरलेली ना. आनी हे जे लोक जे हांगा येतात पार्टी करपाक येतात ते फक्त 2 दिसां खातीर येतात. 2 दीस पार्टी करून ते वतले म्हणटा. म्हाका दिसता तांच्या भितरले 90% लोकांनी बीच सुद्दां त्या बिचार सुद्दां वचना. आनी ह्या 2 दिसां खातीर आमच्या शिवोलच्या लोकांनी कित्याक सफर जावचें, तांचे फूल लायफ जे कित्याक मिजरेबल जावचें. सो हांव मागता की आमी आतां कोण आमचे जे लोकल लोक आसा ना गोंयचे लोक आसा एक बारीकसो कितें बिझनस करूंक वयता, गाडो घालूंक वयता, शॉप घालूंक वयता, तेन्ना ताका 100 परमिशनां लागता, 100 एफिडेविटां लागता आनी परमिशन मेळ्ळा उपरांत गव्हर्मेंट तांच्या फाटल्यान लागता. पूण हे जे सगळे इल्लिगल प्रॅक्टिसीस जे हांगा चालू आसा ताका गव्हर्मेंट कित्याक पळयना.
We are also allowing time because the PI is recently joined. We cannot pressurize him also to take stringent action. So today we are leaving peacefully. Even otherwise we would leave peacefully only. But we are very hopeful that a new PI brings in a new change. We don't have anything against PI Paresh, but it was difficult perhaps for him to maintain 2 police stations at the same time. So we understand that. We understand the shortcomings that departments face. So we are hopeful that the courts and the authorities will grant us some relief so that we can sleep for continued durations. And like we have questioned, where is the noise pollution register? And where is the, if a complaint was made, was there an FIR registered? All these, we have a lot of questions, but we don't know, it's not that we don't have answers, it's that we don't know whom to ask, because the only way we can ask is through an RTI. But the problem is, once we get the RTI reply, what do we do with that reply? Do we all have to individually run to the court? Do we all have to seek only judicial help and no other help from administration, like it was said before? This is a very desperate situation, because of which all of us have come here. Even though it's raining, there are people who have come here on bikes. Amidst there was heavy rain here. So we implore each one of you all to please spread this. Help us find a solution if you can. And like some businessmen have said that it's only a matter of investment of a certain amount. So please put up your indoors thing if it is actually indoors, and not the same as clubs guised under the banner of restaurant and bar. I mean, these are all things. There are so many loopholes. Okay, so thank you. We have some more people who want to share, but thank you very much to the media. Thank you so much for coming here on such short notice, and thank you everyone for being here. Thank you everyone for being a part of this, and thank you to everyone, authorities who can take action in the future. I'm thanking you in advance, and hoping that you hear our voices to go and inga goyan आणि बाहेर हुई थोडी हा प्लीज आमच्या आधाराक पावय.
Thank you, media.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.